Hey guys, this is the Green Cheeseburger or Brandon, and today is, if you guys know, I think it will be posted. I don't know. It is, I think it's uploading right now. It is highlights from last year of a Red Devils wiffle ball team. I got new stuff for this year. I got stuff for the home run derby, games, other bats, and sack balls to spare ball, to regular balls coming together. And I'll be showing it. I'll show you the home run derby bat that apparently I'll be using for the home run derby. Okay guys, I hope you can see. This is the bat right here. Apparently it is a T-ball bat, but I like it as a home run derby bat. Found it, Five Below, in Delran. So if you want this bat, $5 to Five Below. Now I'll be showing you the other bat. Alright, so this, we got it. Here it is. It is a Grand Slam Slugger Pro Edition. It comes with a bat. It comes with a ball. And if you hit it, it just slugs out in the home run territory. This might be a little small for me, but I still think it's good because, you know, these two, this one's a little bit smaller, but I think this one's still good. And this is also the ball I was telling you about, Grand Slam Slugger. See you in the next item. Alright, so this next item is a wiffle ball. At the end, I will be unboxing these, and you guys will see that. It's a wiffle ball. Just regular wiffle ball. Slider curve. I like to keep the boxes of the wiffle balls so I can see what they make. Okay, so then we have a pack of tennis balls. These are most of the time game balls. They're called practice, but they're big enough. See you in the unboxing. Okay, so now I am getting the scissors to unbox it. Okay, so I'm back. This, as you can see, it's already unboxed. It came unboxed. With the unbox Louis, I think it's called. No, it's just a slugger. And unbox it. You guys won't be like, what? You guys might be like, what is the league call? If you want to be in it, you know Jason. I think his channel name is Phillies Fan 27. You know him? Then ask him to be in the league. Or if you know me, ask me, of course, in the comments. And we might let you in. And next time you'll see me with this stuff, probably either would be in a game, the home run derby, or the next year's highlights. I will be showing you this year's highlights. I'll be showing you. Look at this thing. It's so small though. Perfect. Let's get the ball out. Feels so soft. You guys can buy this, all this stuff. It's from Five Below. It's either 5 or under, but this stuff is $5, I think. And to the sports section, I know they have it at Delran. I don't know about other Five Belows, but I totally know they have it at Delran. So yes, if you guys are asking, do you play baseball? I do. I play baseball. Here's the ball. I play baseball and hockey. Alright, now we're going to be unboxing since we got the slugger out of the way. Actually kind of sounds like a real bat. Hear it? Not really, but look, even if I tap it, it goes kind of far for a tap. But look, watch this one. So yeah, now we're gonna unbox this. Cut the tag off. Alright. Let's see how much tennis balls it came with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you guys want me to go and buy a different color tennis ball for like a money ball for the Home Run Derby, we will be using a lot of this in the Home Run Derby, all these balls almost. Comment down below if you want me to use it. The Home Run Derby is in like a month or two. So, this is how you know if you're totally too late. If it is if it's September or August, like 30th or something, yeah, just September, you know you're totally late. And especially you know you're totally late if it's in 2018. Because this is the 2017 league. And yeah, crap. Yeah. Just collect these, put them in the bag. And I did see Cole Hamels at Ocean City, which was cool during the All-Star break. And now this is the only item you don't need the scissors for. It's the wiffle ball. Just gonna unbox it. I'm trying to do it neatly, so try to keep it. There it is. Got the wiffle ball. Yeah. See you at the very end. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, I am doing a giveaway. Might be any of these, might even buy Home Run Derby Vet signed. Might be anything of the hockey team we're making and stuff. Sorry for that. That was just my nanny, my nana, my nana, or nanny, yeah, nanny, asking me something. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first 20 or 30 people just like and subscribe on this video will get a box of cards, and it was also for the last video, I think. Yeah, but just first 20 to 30 people to like and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below. Will be getting stuff. And don't worry, doing a giveaway if I hit 100 subscribers. Once I do it, comment down below if you're one of those subscribers, and I'll be giving you a team pack of cards and stuff like that. Alright, that's the end. See you next video. Bye.